Good morning, students. We were reading the chapter The Mongoose and the Leopard. This is the second part of the chapter and we'll continue with it. Yesterday we read that the tiny mongoose and the ferocious leopard, they came face to face with each other. And the leopard asked the mongoose that why he did not run on hearing the leopard's roar. To which the mongoose replied that he was not afraid, he did not run because he was not afraid of the mongoose. But the leopard still insisted on saying that I am the king of the jungle and all the animals, they run and hide in fear wherever I go. So let's start ahead with this.
Oh, the animals hide on seeing you. There is nothing new about it. The same thing happens with me,
says the mongoose, laughing. The leopard appears surprised. He asks disbelievingly,
"What did you say? Are all animals afraid of you and run away when they see you?" "Yes."
The mongoose said that there is nothing new. The animals hide on seeing you, so it's not something new that I've not seen before. The animals do the same when they see me also. And the mongoose laughed. The leopard was very surprised to hear this, and he did not want to believe this. And he asked the mongoose, "What are you saying? Are animals afraid of you?" He could not believe that the animals will be afraid of such a tiny animal that is mongoose. So he was disbelievingly asking the mongoose that why would all the animals run away on seeing a tiny mongoose?
"Animals hide on seeing me."
The mongoose replies confidently.
"Can you prove this?"
Leopard asks in a soft voice.
"Yeah."
The leopard could not believe the fact that the animals are afraid of the small tiny animal that is a mongoose, and he insisted that is it true or is it real? To which the mongoose said yes, all the animals hide on seeing me. He was very confident. The mongoose was very confident in saying this, that all the animals run away on seeing me. So leopard asked, is it true? Can you prove it to me?
"See you? Yes, come with me and see for yourself. But if I prove it, you will have to leave the forest,"
says the mongoose. The leopard agrees. The leopard is sure that no one is afraid of the mongoose.
When leopard asked the mongoose to prove it, the mongoose said, yes, I will prove it to you, and you will see on your own that how the animals run on seeing me. And if I prove it to you, you will have to leave the forest. The mongoose put this condition before the leopard that he will have to leave the forest if all the animals run away on seeing the mongoose. The leopard said, yes, okay, if all the animals run away on seeing you, I will leave the forest. But the leopard was also very sure that no one will be afraid of such a tiny animal that is a mongoose.
The next morning, as soon as the sun rises from behind the hill, the leopard arrives at the mongoose's hole.
"Come along with me. Show me what you said yesterday. Follow me,"
says the mongoose. Now, the mongoose walks ahead while the leopard follows behind him. Both of them walk through the forest. As usual, the leopard roars aloud as he walks.
The next morning, just as the sun rises, from behind the hill, the leopard reached the mongoose's house. Where does a mongoose live? A mongoose lives in a hole. So the leopard reached the mongoose's hole and he said, "Come out and prove what you told me yesterday. You will have to prove that all the animals run away on seeing you. So come out and prove it to me." So mongoose said, "Okay, follow me." So what does it mean by following? Follow means the mongoose will walk ahead of the leopard. So the mongoose was walking in front and the leopard was following the mongoose. And as you know that all the leopards, they have the habit of roaring while they walk. So the mongoose walks ahead and the leopard was following. So as usual, the leopard was roaring while he was walking. The leopard had this habit of roaring while walking. So he was doing the same.
Wherever they pass, animals run away. It is the result of the leopard's roar. The mongoose says,
Do you see? Wherever I go, animals run away in fright.
So what was happening here? The leopard was roaring while walking, and all the animals were hearing actually the roar of the leopard, and they started running away. They started running away and hiding places. So it was because of leopard's roar that the animals were running. But because mongoose was with the leopard, the mongoose said that, "Did you see that wherever I am going, all the animals, they are running in fear. They are running in fright." So it is actually the wittiness of the mongoose. Mongoose was very clever. It was the leopard's roar because of which the animals were hiding. But he said that it is because of the mongoose that he was walking and he was going and all the animals were hiding.
the leopard silently bows his head and leaves the forest. The mongoose runs away happily to tell the other animals.
So here we find out that how clever, how witty was the mongoose. When all the animals started running here and there, the mongoose asked the leopard that, "Did you see how the animals are running because of fear, because of me?" The leopard silently bows, means silently agrees. He could see that animals were running away and he was not clever enough to think that it is because of the leopard's roar that the animals were running away. So he thought that it is because of mongoose that the animals were running here and there. And as he promised that he will leave the forest if he finds out that the animals run here and there on seeing the mongoose. So all the animals were, as the leopard saw the animals running, he agreed and he left the forest. The mongoose was very happy and he ran to other animals to tell them that the leopard had left the forest. So with this, we end with the chapter. Now your homework is to complete A part, that is, read the statements, mark true or false. A part given on page 53 of your textbook from read section. Thank you.